Your body is not the body you were born with. Almost every cell that made you 7 years ago is gone. Dead. Replaced. Your skin is new. Your bones are new. Your blood is new. Even your brain has replaced most of its cells. You are walking around in a completely different body than the one you had as a child. And yet you feel like the same person. You remember being 10 years old. You remember your first heartbreak. You remember who you are. But the body that experienced those things does not exist anymore. It has been dismantled cell by cell and rebuilt. So who exactly is remembering? What is the you that persists when everything physical has changed? This is not philosophy. This is biology. And it challenges everything you think you know about identity. Welcome to Mystery Mind. We are going inside the ship of Theseus that is your body. The ancient paradox asks if a ship that has every plank replaced remains the same ship. Your body answers that question every day. You are the ship. You are being rebuilt constantly. And somehow, impossibly, you remain you. By the end of this video, you will understand the staggering scale of cellular replacement happening inside you right now. And you will face a question that science cannot fully answer. What makes you you when your body is not? Let us start with the numbers because they are incomprehensible. Your body contains approximately 37 trillion cells. 37 trillion. And they are dying and being replaced at a rate of millions per second. Every second you are alive, millions of cells complete their life cycle and are cleared away. Millions of new cells are born to replace them. You are not a static thing. You are a process, a continuous flow of matter through a pattern. The matter changes. The pattern remains. At least, that is what we think is happening. Your skin replaces itself completely every 2 to 4 weeks. You shed about 1 billion skin cells every day. Dust in your home is mostly you. Your outer layer is constantly dying and flaking away, replaced by cells rising up from below. You have completely new skin every month. The skin you had last year is gone. It is in your vacuum cleaner. It is in your shower drain. It is in the air you breathe. Your red blood cells live about 4 months. They are manufactured in your bone marrow, circulate for 120 days carrying oxygen, then are broken down and recycled. You make about 2 million red blood cells every second. 2 million. Every second. Your blood today is not the blood you had 6 months ago. It has been completely replaced. Twice. Your liver regenerates completely every 6 months to a year. It is the only internal organ that can fully regrow from just 25% of its original mass. Liver cells divide and replace damaged tissue constantly. The liver you have now is not the one you had as a teenager. It has been rebuilt from scratch multiple times. Your bones are constantly remodeling. Osteoclasts break down old bone. Osteoblasts build new bone. Every 10 years, your entire skeleton has been replaced. The bones that hold you up are not the bones you were born with. They have been dissolved and rebuilt cell by cell. The calcium in them is new calcium. The collagen is new collagen. Your gut lining replaces itself every 2 to 5 days. The cells exposed to stomach acid and digestive enzymes are constantly being destroyed. They are replaced by stem cells in the intestinal wall. The surface of your gut is brand new every week. The cells digesting your breakfast did not exist when you ate dinner last week. Your lungs replace themselves every 2 to 3 weeks on the surface level, though deeper structures take longer. The alveoli where oxygen enters your blood are constantly renewing. The lungs that breathed your first breath are not the lungs breathing now. Even your brain, which we think of as fixed and stable, replaces some of its cells. Neurons themselves do not divide. They are largely the same cells you were born with. But the supporting cells, the glial cells, do replace. And the connections between neurons, the synapses, are constantly changing. The structure of your brain is not fixed. It is being rewired every night while you sleep. Every memory you form changes your brain physically. Every skill you learn rewires your neural networks. But here is the critical question. If your body replaces itself completely every 7 to 10 years, why do you still have scars? Why do tattoos persist? Why do you remember your childhood? The answer reveals that the ship of Theseus is not a perfect metaphor. Some things do last. Some things do not replace. Your neurons, the cells that make up your brain and nervous system, are largely the same ones you were born with. They do not divide. They do not replace. The neurons in your cerebral cortex are as old as you are. Some of them have been with you since before you were born. They formed in the womb and have never been replaced. This is why brain damage is permanent. Neurons do not grow back. This is why neurodegenerative diseases are devastating. The neurons you lose are gone forever, but neurons are not the whole story. The connections between them change constantly. The synapses are being strengthened and weakened every moment. Your brain today is wired differently than it was yesterday. The pattern of connections is the pattern of you, and that pattern can persist even as the individual components change. Your heart muscle cells replace very slowly, about 1% per year. At that rate, it would take a lifetime to replace them completely. The heart you have now is mostly the heart you were born with. It has been repairing itself, not replacing itself. This is why heart damage from a heart attack is permanent. The dead cells are replaced by scar tissue, not new muscle. Your eye lens cells are the same cells you were born with. They add layers like tree rings, but do not replace. The lens in your eye is as old as you are. This is why cataracts form. The proteins in those ancient cells break down and clump together. There is no replacement system. Your eggs or sperm are as old as you are. The germ cells that became your reproductive cells formed before you were born. If you are female, you were born with all the eggs you will ever have. They have been waiting since before your birth. If you are male, your sperm are constantly being made, but the stem cells that produce them have been with you since development. So the 7-year replacement is not quite accurate. Some cells replace in days, some in weeks, some in years, some never. Your body is a mosaic of different ages. Your neurons are as old as you. Your skin is weeks old. Your blood is months old. You are a collection of cells at different stages of their life cycle, all working together to create the illusion of a single continuous self. But this brings us to the deeper question. What is the self that persists? If your body is not the same body, what is the you that remembers being 10 years old? The answer from neuroscience is pattern, information, the arrangement of matter, not the matter itself. Your brain stores information in the pattern of synaptic connections. That pattern can be maintained even as individual molecules are replaced. Like a whirlpool in a river, the water molecules constantly change. The whirlpool persists. You are a whirlpool, a pattern of information processing that maintains itself through time. This has profound implications. It means you are not your body. You are the pattern your body creates, the information your brain stores, the memories, the skills, the preferences, the personality traits encoded in neural connections. Those can be transferred. In theory, they could be copied. They could be uploaded. The matter is not sacred. The pattern is. But it also means you are constantly dying and being reborn. Every moment, part of you ceases to exist and is replaced. The you of yesterday is gone. The you of this morning is gone. You are always becoming someone new. The continuity is an illusion created by memory. You remember being yesterday you, so you think you are the same person. But the matter has changed. The pattern has shifted. You are a new person who inherited the memories of the old one. This is not just philosophy. This is physics. The second law of thermodynamics says entropy increases. Living systems maintain order by constantly rebuilding themselves. You are fighting entropy every second. Every cell replacement is an act of defiance against the heat death of the universe. You are not a thing. You are a process, a continuous act of creation. And that process requires death. Old cells must die for new cells to replace them. You are literally dying and being reborn constantly. Here is what you need to remember. First, most of your body replaces itself every 7 to 10 years, with some cells replacing in days and others never replacing at all. Second, your neurons are largely the same cells you were born with, but their connections change constantly. Third, you are not the matter that makes you up, but the pattern of information that matter creates. Fourth, scars and tattoos persist because they are structural changes, not cellular replacements. And fifth, identity is maintained by memory and pattern continuity, not by physical continuity of matter. The ship of Theseus sails on. The planks have been replaced. The design remains. You are the design. You are the pattern that persists through the constant flow of matter. And that pattern is fragile. It depends on your brain remaining intact. It depends on your memories remaining accessible. It depends on the continuity of consciousness that we do not fully understand. You are a miracle, a temporary reversal of entropy, a pattern that knows it is a pattern, and that knowledge changes everything. If this blew your mind, hit like and tell me in the comments what you think makes you you. Is it your memories? Your body? Something else? And if you want to understand more of the hidden forces shaping your existence, subscribe and hit the bell. Because next time, we are going deeper into the mysteries of what it means to be alive. The truth is out there, but someone has to dig for it.